to buy an Amazon gift card online. Here's how to buy an Amazon gift card directly from the site. Quick and simple. Step 1. Visit amazon.com/gift cards or your local Amazon site. You'll see different options like e-gift, print at home, and mail. Step 2. Choose your gift card type. First, e-gift that's delivered by email is the fastest. Print at home lets you print the gift card yourself, and mail sends a physical card to someone's address. Tap on e-gift card for instant delivery. Step 3. Enter the amount like $25, $50, or custom. Type in the recipient's email or your own if you're gifting it later. Add your name in a personal message, and then choose a design if you want. Step 4. Click Add to Cart, then proceed to checkout. Select your payment method, that's either credit or debit card, PayPal, etc. Then click on Place Your Order. Step 5. If it's an e-gift card, it's usually delivered within minutes to the email you entered. Physical cards can take a few days. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.